That was in June. And this is in August. Welcome back. Hey you, video star. Put him on the floor. Yeah. Hey you. Cookie. Yeah, come here. Yeah, Mr. Cookie. What a cutie, huh? And this marking, this is so amazing. You see, that is a nice thing about the mango worms. They usually don't leave scars. Once they're out, the skin can just close again.
Yeah, so it's beautiful.
It's not like something that is permanent.
But I was wondering what about this. Is just spot or?
This sometimes I see when they have, for example, a ringworm. Ringworm is a fungal infection. It can happen.
Really?
Mm-hmm. But it's not a big deal. Now in the summer, in the rainy season, everybody has ringworm. He seems a little bit sensitive on his ears. We have to check the ears. What's going on there with the ears?
Here.
Otherwise, it looks very good. Very big. 5 kilo you are. Big boy. It's going to be a nice dog, definitely. Hey, you. Come. Yeah, it stings a little bit. I know. Painful.